Hi friends, Sarah here from the Connecticut Cocoon. If you don't know me, I am a co-creator of Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Lori Aman, and I'm coming to you today to do just a little bit of vocal play as we set intentions for the week. So if you don't know what vocal play is, it's just giving something a sound. We're going back to our roots, moving beyond words before we even learn words. So we're using our voice, and any sound that comes in, we are going to tap into that using our intuition. It could be an animal sound, wind, a vowel, a tone, a song that reminds you of the thing that you're putting a sound to. Really anything goes. And usually I cycle through sound with body movement, and then I can feel when, aha, that's the sound for whatever it is I'm giving the sound to. So that could be an intention, that could be a feeling, that could be something in nature, giving a sound to something in nature. And you'll know if you just kind of get into your body and be in the present moment a bit. Some people feel it in a little chill. You might get teary-eyed. I like to, I know when I feel a little buzz in my eyes, you might have a yawn. It could be some energy release, or even just a sweet smile comes to you and you know, aha, I have landed that sound for whatever I'm vocalizing. So for today, I would like to set an intention for myself. I feel like there's always this ebb and flow with life and changes and transitions. That's what got Lori and I to create the Cocoon for you, holding space for you as we move through life together. And so for my intention this week, I want to put out into the world, it's time to start living a fulfilled life. It's time to start living a fulfilled life. So on these little mini series, there'll be times that I do the vocal play right in front of you and I'll cycle through. There's other times I may have done it already behind the scenes, and then I'll share my vocal play with you. And on your end, you can decide if you want to just sit back, relax, and hear the vocal play and kind of just receive it. Because the whole point of this is moving energy forward, releasing energy so we can live the life we want to live and feel the things we want to feel as we keep moving onward. And then I invite you, if you're super brave, to explore your own unique sound, moving beyond words. And so maybe it's something I bring up in this video, and then you go on your own, put it to some body movements, and come up with your own sound. And if you do that, of course, I would love to hear how it went and any insights you have. And my last thing before we get into it, a lot of times another piece to this vocal play is receiving messages from it. So when we put body movements to the vocal play, the body movements can give us some messages, or even the sounds that we decide to pick, maybe how our voice moves up or down, or how fast we go with the sound, or how slow. So it could come in as you're doing it. It could come in later on or weeks later. So really see what comes in after you've created your vocal play. And usually it's a beautiful message that's meant just for you. So here we go. Feel free to come up with your own intention, but for mine this week, it's time to start living a fulfilled life. And I'm going to do this vocal play right in front of you today. Here we go. one more time. I basically have it. Ah, 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 ah. And kind of just letting it, my fingers are floating down. Oh, I feel it in my eyes. The buzz in my eyes. So that is my sound for my intention this week. I already have some messages coming in. I'm already getting emotional. This motion here is just this bundled mess I had to work through years ago, and my head down and coming up is self-confidence issues that I've continue to work through, I should say. But thinking about my younger self and then coming out of it, kind of that bloom. So I invite you to try this out yourself, make an intention, give it a sound, and let me know how it goes. Till next time, bye.